Hello guys and girls, Raj here, back with a special announcement. I'm giving away 5 free AWS certification vouchers because our channel reached 40,000 subscribers. The winners of this giveaway will also have the option to have a 30-minute one-on-one mentoring session with me. In this session, I can go over your resume, LinkedIn profile, suggest how you can improve those, and recommend what can you do to get a better cloud DevOps job. Out of the 5 AWS certification vouchers, 3 vouchers will be for AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, and the remaining 2 will be for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. To enter the giveaway, you need to do 3 simple things. First, you need to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Second, you need to put a comment telling which certification voucher you want and how can that certification help your career. Step number 3, fill out the form given in the description so that I have your email address to reach out to the winners. Also note that this giveaway is not sponsored by AWS. I'm actually spending my hard-earned $650 to buy the certification vouchers so that they are absolutely free to you folks. A lot of you tell me that these certifications will really help your career, but they could be a little expensive. That's why I'm doing this as a token of my gratitude and thank you for watching my channel for over 4 years. The winners will be announced on September 10th, so around 3 weeks from now. Good luck in the giveaway, keep learning and keep rocking.